CBSE 9th class lines and angles exercise 6.1 first problem. Here we have the diagram. From the diagram what we have, given angle AOC plus BOE is equals to 70. AOC, that means this angle and this angle, sum of these two angles is equals to 70 degrees. We have AOC BOE, sum of these two angles is equals to 70 degrees. And BOD, here we have BOD is equals to this angle 40 degrees. BOD is equals to 40. Find angle BOE, that means BOE is equals to how much, as well as reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE, reflex, we have to find reflex angle COE, this one. Now come to the point. First one, solution. Angle, first BOD is equals to, angle BOD is equals to 40 degrees. Here if BOD is equal to 40, then AOC is also 40. Why? Because both are vertically opposite angles, this angle and this angle. Angle BOD is equals to angle AOC is equals to 40 degrees each. Why? Because vertically opposite angles, both are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equals to 40 degrees. If AOC 40, then we have to find BOE. Angle AOC plus angle here BOE. Angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees we have. Now we know that angle AOC is equals to 40 degrees. 40 degrees plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degrees. Now just we have to find angle BOE. Angle BOE is equals to 70, transpose 40 to right side, minus 40. Angle BOE is equals to 70 minus 40 is equals to 30 degrees. Now here we got this is a 30 degrees as well as this is a 40 degrees. Now what we have to find, reflex angle COE. To find reflex angle COE, we have to find this one first. Let us subtract 360 minus this angle. Otherwise we can find this angle. Let us subtract this angle, we will get the answer. Now come to the point. Angle here, let me find this one first. AOC plus COE plus EOB is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees straight angle. So angle AOC plus angle we have already BOE plus angle COE is equals to 180 degrees straight angle. Now here we have AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degrees. We have 70 degrees plus angle COE is equals to 180 degrees. Now we have to find just to COE only. Angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70. Angle COE is equals to 110 degrees. Now this is 110 degrees. This is a 110 degrees. Now what we supposed to do? We have to find a reflex COE. Angle reflex COE. Here let me find reflex angle COE is equals to, let me, 360. Total angle is equals to 360 minus this angle up to the angle COE. Angle COE, that is equals to 360 minus 110. Then 360 minus 110 is equals to, this is 0, 6 minus 1 5, and 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, 250 degrees. Therefore reflex angle COE, reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degrees.